this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Floating and Fluttering bundle. So here's the bundle. It has this great grouping of butterflies that you can fill in with all these different butterfly stamps, and the leaves also have stamps that you can color in with the stamps as well. And then we've got this nice large label that you can cut out too. And then there's 2 dies that you can use to cut out the butterflies, or there are individual butterflies that you can use to cut out the butterflies. So for this card, I wanted to kind of make a floating front. So I'm going to use the butterflies to connect my 2 front pieces here. And for this card, I decided to do a little bit of embossing in the background. So I've embossed the card base with the greenery, one of the greenery embossing folders. And I am just going to put some dimensionals on either side here. But first I'm going to stamp thank you, and then I will add my butterflies. And actually I'm going to show you how I stamped my butterflies. So I started with some Memento basic black ink, and going to ink up this grouping of butterflies with the black. Let's do it down here. Okay. So there's my group of butterflies, and now I'm going to use these stamps to color in the butterflies and the leaves. So I'm going to start with the leaves in Just Jade. So we've got some leaves here. Flip this around. They perfectly fit inside. So there's some leaves, and then we've got this little grouping of leaves here. And then we've got the large butterfly. Let's do the side butterfly first. Side butterfly in Magenta Madness. And we've got this little butterfly in Misty Moonlight. Got this large butterfly. In Bumblebee. And then you use your die to cut this out, and that's how you get this set of butterflies. Now I'm going to stamp thank you with the Happy Thoughts set from the mini catalog. This is a great set that has a bunch of sayings that are perfect for any card. It has happy birthday, thinking of you, thank you, congratulations, happy thoughts, and some sentiments that you could put inside the card. So this is a really wonderful stamp set, and I'm gonna stamp that in Just Jade. Just right here. Go. And now I can assemble the card. So I'm going to put dimensionals on these pieces right here. Then I'll put some dimensionals on the outer parts of the butterflies, and maybe even some mini dimensionals over here. And it will look like the butterfly is connecting the two pieces of the front of the card. And then I will add some little enamel dots from the in colors. Since I'm using the in colors, we'll do a magenta dot and a jade dot and a misty moonlight dot. That one didn't work. There we go. And there is the finished card. I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase the bundle or when you place a $30 order. It consists of 6 cards, 3 designs, 2 of each. If you go to my website and use the January hostess code and then email me and let me know that you would like the Floating and Fluttering card kit, I will send it out to you for free. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.